Vanakkam. Now we are going to solve problem 2.11 from Digital Design by Moris Mano's 5th edition. The question is to list the truth table of the functions. The first one is function f is equal to xy plus xy dash plus y dash z. And the second one is function f is equal to bc plus a dash c dash. Now let's get started with the first function. So f is equal to xy plus xy dash plus y dash z. First we should know what is a truth table. Truth table is a table that shows all possible combinations of input and output. Now we are going to list the truth table. Here the function has three variables. So what are they? X, y and z. So here we have 2 power 3, that is equal to 8 input combinations. Now we are going to draw the table with necessary rows and columns. And this input ranges from 000 to 111. And the corresponding decimal values may be written if needed. Okay. So we start from this. First we are writing the input combinations. It is 000. We can write it in two methods. First we'll see the first method. So it is the binary equivalent for the 0, then 1, it is 001. Like this we can write 2 is 010. We should know the binary values. That's it. Okay. 011 and 4 is 100. 5 is 101. And 6 is 110 and 7 is 111. Okay, this is how we write it. The another way is for these three are the inputs, right? X, Y, Z. So we need three columns. So in this Z, the last variable we can put 01, 01, 01, 01 alternatively. Okay. Then here you have to write two zeros followed by two ones. Two zeros followed by two ones. Here again for x, 4 zeros followed by 4 ones. This is very simple to write the input combinations. Then we take the first term. What's the first term? This xy is the first term. So what is the function between them? That is AND. Okay, so we have to perform AND operation between x and y. For that we need a column. So we need this column xy. So we are going to perform AND operation between these two, isn't it? 0 and 0. So what it is? 0.0 is 0. Then here you go between these two, 0 and 0. So it is 0. We know the AND operation, isn't it? So what is ANDing xy? Then the output is, if it is 0 then 0 for AND operation, isn't it? 1 it is 0, 1 it is 0, for 1 it is 1. Okay, so whenever you have both the inputs are 1, the output is 1. Otherwise we have the outputs as 0. So here again we check for 2, it is 0 1, so it is 0. Then for 0 1 again 0. Here it is x is 1, y is 0, so xy is 0. x1, y is 0, so x dot y is 0. X is 1, y is 1, so it is 1. X is 1, y is 1, so it is 1. Now we go for the second term. So the second term is x, y dash. So it is the ANDing of x dot y dash. So first we need to find out this y dash. What is y dash? It is the complement that we need one more column. Okay. So what is y dash? Here it is 0. So its complement is 1. Here it is 0. So its complement is 1. Here it is 1. So it is 0. It is 1. So it is 0. Here it is 0. Y is 0. So y dash is 1. Y is 0. So y dash is 1. Y is 1. So y dash is 0. Y is 1. So y dash is 0. Like that we have filled the y dash column. Then we go for the next column. Next column, this is the second term, right? So it is x dot y dash. So we have to consider this x column as well as this y dash column. These input combinations, these combinations must be considered for finding this x dot y dash. So this is 0.1. Okay, so it is 0 and operation only, right? 0.1, so it is 0. It is 0.0, it is 0. Here it is 0, here it is 0, 0, 0, 0. Then x is 1, y dash is 1, so it is 1. X is 1, y dash is 1, so xy dash is 1. X is 1, y dash is 0, so it is 0. X is 1, y dash is 0, so it is 0. So we have completed this column. Now we go for the third term. So what is the third term? Third term is y dash is it, isn't it? So we need to have the value of y dash which is ANDed with z. Y dash already we had, right, in this column. So there is no need to again go for another new column. This can be used along with the z. So now we have to consider this column which consists of z values as well as this y dash values. They must be added. Okay. So now we are going to find out this. So it is 0 dot 1, 0 dot 1, that is 0 for z, y dash is 1, so when both are added we get 0. Z is 1, y dash is 1, so y dash z is 1. Z is 0, y dash is 0, so it is 0. Z is 1, y dash is 0, so 1 dot 0 is 0. Z is 0, y dash is 1, so 0 dot 1 is 0. Z is 1, y dash is 1, so y dash is 1. Z is 0, y dash is 0, so y dash is 0. Z is 1 and y dash is 0, so it is 0. So we have filled up this column also. Now the last step is to find out f. So f was nothing but ORing of this first term, second term and the third term. We have to OR these three terms. So here we have the first term, here we have the second term, here we have the third term. These three terms must be ORed. Okay. So here you have 0 ORed with this 0. That means x, y dash, right? Then y dash is 0. So 0, 0, 0. So what is OR function? So if you have two inputs x and y and the output is f, which is x plus y, that is OR function. Okay, and we consider here two inputs, that is applicable for three inputs also. That means here all the inputs are 0, the output is 0. If any one input is 1, then the output is 1. 1, 0. So any one input is 1, the output is 1. 1, 1, the last combination. Any one input. Here both the inputs are 0. Okay. For that also we get the output is 1. So considering this, here you see 0 plus 0, it is 0. Again 0 plus 0, it is 0. So our answer is here 0. Then consider the second combination, right? It is 0 plus 0, 0. That 0 plus this 1, it is 1. Then here it is 0 plus this 0 plus this 0. All the inputs are 0. So the output is 0. 0, here it is 0. Again here it is 0. So it is 0. All the inputs are 0. Here it is 0. Here it is 1. Here it is 0. So x output is 1. 0 here, then it is 1 here, here also 1, 2 ones. So we can put a 1. Here 1, it is 0, 0. We have 1. Okay, a single 1, so output is 1. Then 1, 0, 0. So the output is 1. So this is how we list out the truth table. Okay. So here you can see it in a type form. So now we are going to perform the task of framing the truth table for this function. F is equal to BC plus A dash C dash. Okay. So here how many variables available? We have 3 variables A, B, C. So 2 power 3, again 8 combinations, input combinations must be returned. So it is already returned 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. I have already told you how to write this 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, then double 0 followed by double ones, double 0, double 1, then 4 zeros followed by 4 ones. Like that you can write. Here we have two terms. This is our first term and this is our second term. So first term consists of B and C ANDed together. Okay, so we have to perform AND operation for this B and C. Frame another column and 0 dot 0 we get 0, 0 dot 1 we get 0, 1 dot 0 we get this 0, 1 dot 1 we get this 1, 0 dot 0 we get the 0, 0 dot 1 we get a 0, 1 dot 0 we get a 0, 1 dot 1 we get this 1. Like this we form this BC column. Then when you go for the second term, the second term consists of A dash ANDed with the C dash. So we need to find out first A dash. So we have one more column, okay, added to this. So what is A dash? It is complement of A. So here it is 0, so you have a 1. Here it is 0, you have a 1. 0 complement is 1. 0 complement is 1. So here you have 4 ones. So for that you have 4 zeros. Like that we have this A dash. Okay. Then we go for the C dash. So we are looking at this C column and then we frame the C dash column. So it is 0, so it is 1. 1's complement is 0, 0's complement is 1, 1's complement is 0, 0's complement is 1. So for 1 it is 0, for 0 it is 1, for 1 it is 0. Like that we frame the next column also. Now we are going to form the second term. So this is our second term, right? So it is A dash C dash. That is nothing but ANDing of this A dash C dash. So we perform this AND operation between A complement and C complement. So it is 1 dot 1, that is 1. 1 dot 0 it is 0. 1 dot 1 it is 1. 1 dot 0 it is 0. 1 no, 0 dot 1 it is 0. 0 dot 0 it is 0. 0 dot 1 it is 0. 0 dot 0 it is 0. Okay, so we formed the A dash C dash column also. Now the last step is getting the function. Okay, so the column for F is, so how do you get F? It is ORing of these two terms. Okay, plus ORing of these two terms. So we are performing OR operation between this BC and this A dash C dash. So it is 0 plus this 1. So it is 1. 0 plus this 0. So it is 0. This 0 plus 1. So 1. 1 plus 0. So it is 1. 0 plus 0. It is 0. 0 plus 0. It is 0. 0 plus 0. It is 0. 1 plus 0. It is 1. Okay. So we got the truth table completely done. Right. Thank you.